Welcome to From One Leader to Another. This podcast is for anyone who is stepping into leadership or already leading and realizing something important. Leadership is harder than it looks. Most emerging leaders are promoted because they're great at their job, but no one teaches them how to lead people. And many current leaders are already in the role, navigating uncertainty, conflict, team dynamics, and constant change, often without the support or development they deserve. In today's world, with shifting expectations, hybrid work, burnout, and the rise of AI, leadership is becoming more complex, not less. That is why this podcast exists. From one leader to another, this is a space for real conversations, not theory, not corporate buzzwords, real experiences, real challenges, and real growth. You will hear from leaders across industries and backgrounds, sharing what actually works when it comes to leading, developing, and inspiring people. Whether you're preparing for leadership, growing as a first-time leader, or strengthening your skills as a current leader, this podcast will help you build confidence, communicate clearly, and lead with intention. Because leadership is not something you arrive at. It's something you grow into at every stage. So stay tuned. Episodes coming soon.